Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best clothes shipping bags on the market. The KKBESTPACK 100 Large Poly Mailers, sized at 10 by 13 inches. If you run a small business or sell clothing online, these poly mailers are designed to make your shipping process faster, easier, and more reliable. These mailers are made from a sturdy 3-layer extruded polyethylene film. This means they offer excellent protection against rain, dirt, and dust, something that cardboard boxes or paper envelopes can't always guarantee. Not only are they waterproof, but their puncture-resistant construction helps keep your product safe during transit. This is especially important for soft, non-fragile items like t-shirts, towels, or bedding. One standout feature is their discreet design. The mailers have a white outer layer with a silver inner lining, which keeps your package contents completely private, making them ideal for gift shipments or sensitive items. Plus, these poly mailers have strong seams and a 1.5-inch flap, allowing you to overstuff the bags without worrying about them bursting open. When it comes to convenience, these mailers have a self-sealing adhesive strip. Shipping your products becomes a breeze because all you need to do is slide your item inside and seal the flap in seconds. This two-step process reduces labor time and speeds up your order fulfillment. The surface also accepts adhesive shipping labels or can be marked with a permanent marker, giving you flexible labeling options. These mailers are lightweight, which can help reduce your overall shipping costs, but don't let that fool you. They are tough and durable enough to handle bulkier clothing items. Another benefit is that they are 100% recyclable, supporting environmentally conscious businesses. In summary, the KKBESTPACK large poly mailers are a practical, cost-effective, and professional solution for shipping soft goods. Whether you're a small business owner or just looking for reliable mailers, these bags combine durability, water resistance, and privacy all in one sleek package. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.